Secret hacks to get more value out of Relay Bank? Are you using Relay Bank primarily just to handle your bookkeeping and maybe pay a few bills? If so, you're leaving serious value on the table. When I first switched to Relay, I thought it was just a smart checking account for my business, a step up from my old big bank experience. But after using it daily for over a year, I've uncovered a few secret hacks, or maybe just underutilized features, that have fundamentally changed how I manage my cash flow and interact with my CPA. I'm talking about saving time on reconciliation, getting faster payments, and structuring my money in a way that truly follows the profit-first model without a complicated spreadsheet. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 biggest strategies that have given me the most leverage and value out of my Relay accounts. 1. The underrated power of multiple checking accounts. Everyone knows Relay lets you create multiple checking accounts, up to 20. But here's the hack: don't just use them for profit-first percentages. Use them to manage specific variable costs and tax liability outside of your main operating expense account. For example, I have a separate checking account just for my estimated quarterly taxes and another dedicated solely to software subscriptions. Instead of tracking all those small, recurring expenses against my main account and stressing about tax time, I set up a small weekly automatic transfer into the tax account and the exact monthly total of my software bills into the subscription account. When the payments hit, I know the money is already set aside and waiting. The real value is the peace of mind and the zero-stress reconciliation at year-end. My CPA loves this. 2. Ditch ACH. Embrace same-day transfers. If you are paying vendors or contractors, you are probably defaulting to the free 2 to 3 day ACH transfer. This is a huge mistake if you value good relationships and speed. Relay's greatest time-saving feature is its support for same-day ACH transfers. While a lot of banks charge a premium for this, Relay offers a certain number of these transfers per month for free, or for a very low fee after that threshold, depending on your plan. The hack here is to always use same-day ACH for priority payments. It's faster than a wire transfer, usually cheaper, and most importantly, it gets the money into your contractor's account on the same business day. In a competitive market, being the client who pays today instead of 3 days from now is a massive operational and relationship advantage. You literally buy goodwill with this feature. 3. Automated rules for superfast reconciliation. The final hack, and maybe the one that saves me the most time, involves using the rules feature to assign transactions to a specific account and assign the vendor. When you pay a vendor multiple times, Relay learns the pattern, but you can force it to be perfect. Here's how. Go to a recurring transaction, like an Amazon charge or a payment to a specific recurring vendor. Create a rule that says, if the transaction description contains Amazon and the amount is over $100, automatically assign it to my cost of goods sold chart of accounts category. This is critical because it forces transactions into the correct bucket before they hit your accounting software like QuickBooks. When I sync my bank feed, over 90% of my transactions are already pre-categorized according to my own rules, drastically cutting down on my reconciliation time and ensuring consistency. You're essentially training Relay to be your first-line bookkeeper. These 3 things, using specific accounts for liabilities, prioritizing same-day ACH, and setting up automated categorization rules, have transformed Relay from just a bank account into a central, highly efficient cash management tool for my business. I strongly encourage you to try integrating just one of these